Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets just continuously moving up above this level, right? So as I said, right, a lot of people have kept their stop losses at this place, so they would want to square off their positions as soon as if we open with a gap up, right? And as you guys can see, if we go above this level, and as you guys can see, we opened with a gap up. Although the gap up was a little high, so you wouldn't have probably gotten a very good risk to reward ratio, so you could have traded this once this inside candle broke out, once the high of the first candle broke out over here, and you would have still gotten a very good move over here, right? So from here, very simple, right? Now all the buyers have kept their stop losses at this point, 42,300 to 350, right? 300 to, yeah, 340, 350, all these levels. So over here, we should not go below this level, right? Because if we go below this level, the buyers will start exiting their positions, because of which this could be a very good breakout failure, right? And as I had said in previous times also, whenever there is a breakout failure, we will see a very, very good sell off in the market, right? I had told you once, the last time there was a breakout failure over here. I'm just going to show you guys very quick, right? Over here, if you see, right, the market consolidated over here itself, market went up, but the breakout failed, right? As soon as the market broke out, it started coming down, right? And as you guys can see, there was such a good sell off, right? So from here, the market should not go below 42,300 in any case, right? Because this is the place where all the buyers have kept their stop losses. And if we start coming down there, the buyers will definitely want to square out their positions. And that will give us a very good selling trade also, right? But on the other hand, the market has broken out over here. In Nifty also, if you see, right, Nifty, although the problem was that we opened with such a big gap up that you wouldn't have gotten a trade over here, right? But anyways, very similar place in Nifty also. Tomorrow, as soon as you go above 17,755 and sustain for a few minutes, right? If we sustain for, let's say, 15 minutes at this place itself, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Your target should be 17,800 on the upside, right? Because over here there is also this gap that needs to be filled, so the market would want to go ahead and fill this gap. Actually 17,820, I'm really sorry, your target should be 17,820, because the market needs to fill this gap, right? So if we sustain just over here itself for some time and do not see a good sell off from here, then we can expect another up move till 17,820 on the upside, right? And another thing you can do is buy above 17,770. But yeah, as soon as we go over, sustain for 15 minutes above 17,760, you guys can then also go ahead and take a trade over here, right? In Nifty also, a lot of now Nifty should not go below 17,640 to 620 levels, right? This is a range where a lot of buyers have kept their stop losses, this whole range. So over here, Nifty should not break this range, because then we will see again a very good sell off, right? So if we open, if we open with a very big, not a very big, but with a small gap down, then we probably will be stuck over here for a day, and then we could see an up move in the next day, right? Up move or a down move. But yeah, we if we open with a small gap down in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, if you see, then we'll be probably be stuck in this range, and then what you guys can do is make a strangle over here, right? And just get the theta decay. But if we but yeah, then there will be no directional, kind of a trade that you can take over here. But yeah, in both Bank Nifty and Nifty, if you open again in Bank Nifty, if you open flat and cross 42,700, then you guys can again go ahead and take a trade. Your target will be 42,950 from here. Maybe we might not reach it tomorrow itself, but yeah, you can easily aim for 42,800 at least. But yeah, your target should be 43,950 easily from here, right? On the downside, again, if you open with very, very big gap down, right, somewhere near 42,400, this will be a very typical situation of people getting trapped, right? A lot of people have carried bullish positions. If you open with very big gap down, they would want to exit their positions, which will cause a lot of panic in the market, and then we'll straight up sell below 42,348. We will 42,350 in general, and we will not kind of wait. We will not hesitate to sell, because a lot of people are trapped. When just remember this: whenever people are trapped in the market, that is the time in the market where you get very, very good risk to reward opportunities, right? So do not hesitate to take a trade when there is kind of a panic in the market. Take advantage of that panic whenever you are in the market, right? Again, if you open with any sort of a gap up somewhere near 42,900, 42,850, all these levels, then there really won't be a lot of space for Bank Nifty to move, right? To do momentum. So in that case, we will just leave the trade because then things could be very volatile and we will not trade for tomorrow. Same with Nifty, right? If you open somewhere near 17,800, 820, all these levels, then there really won't be much space for Nifty to move and we'll just skip our trade over here. Again, same with Nifty, as I said, right? If you open with a very big gap down, people will be trapped, and then we guys can go ahead and take a short trade below 17,600 and 10, right? So I guess that was it for today. If the market has to move, it should not come down right now. We should see a very good momentum till another day of good momentum. And even if we open with a gap up, we should see some sort of a volatile kind of a day, but at higher levels itself. We should not see a lot of sell off even if we open with a gap up, right? Because this is a place where the bulls are strong, so they should be able to hold the markets up over here, right? So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.